A lot of people have been confused about, is live stream paying, is live stream not paying? If live stream is paying, how much can live stream pay me, and should I just rely on live stream? What we're like, live stream is way easy than, filming a video and putting all of that together. And this person personally dropped me this particular comment. She said, please, is live stream paying? I'm not reading exactly, but this was what she dropped so that she will know the exact thing that she's going to do and what she's going to focus on. And today I am here to also expose my live stream revenue and then tell you one or two things that will enable you to make money on live stream. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just get right into this video. And I'm going to go into my screen record with my phone, and we are going to be analyzing up to 5 different live stream. And after analyzing them, I'll come back to tell you guys what exactly happened in each of those live streams, and then you can be able to know if this is profitable enough for you or it is not profitable enough for you. But the first thing I want you to know is, yes, YouTube live stream pays, and if you're monetized, the only thing or the only good thing for you to do is make sure you turn on your monetization bell once you are monetized. Okay, before going live, all you need to do is, once you click on your live stream, click on advanced setting, and if you click on advanced setting, it will show you where you're going to turn on your monetization. And if you have a paid promotion that you also want to talk about during the live stream, you can also turn on your monetization and paid promotion as well. And with all of that being said, let's just get right into my screen record. So my screen record is all started, and as you all know, I'm going to be attaching it either here or here, the way we usually do it. And this is my live stream content. Okay, you can see get 4,000 subscriber in here, blah blah blah, stuff like that. And we're just going to click from the first one. We're not even going to like say, oh, let's select one or two. This particular live stream has 3.2k view, okay, which is, if you check the overview, it has 3.2k view as you're seeing from this other end. And if you click on it, they're going to say, since it has 229 views since it was published. This is simply telling you that after all the shenanigans that has happened on your live stream, this one is the one that YouTube is going to count directly after your live stream has been published, for them to know how much they are going to pay you directly from this live stream. And if we go to the watch time, you can see it has 9.2 watch time. It brought 0 subscribers, and this has been able to make $0.85. Okay, $0.85. Are you guys seeing it? Now let's go to the revenue of this particular live stream. You can see it here. For every 1k view, I get to make $1.64, and this is how much advertisers are paying, $7.59 as well. And you can see for replay is $1.36. Now I'm going to be explaining all of this in details. Let's check the second one so that this video will not be too long. If we check the second one, this has gotten 424 views since it was published. And if you check the reach, it has gotten 15.3k reach. And if you check the engagement, it has gotten 10.3 watch time. And if we check the audience, it has gotten returning viewers of 203. I don't want to go into it one after the other. Okay, let me just give you the ones that is very important. Then if we check the revenue coming from this live stream has made $1.21. And if we go down, this live stream returning for every 1k view, I get to make $1.98. And how much advertisers are paying? $5.44. That's the second one. Let's go to the third one as well. So for the third one, it has gotten 274 views since it was published. And if we go to the reach, it has what, 4.4k impression. If we go to the engagement, it has 15.0 watch time. If we go to the audience, it has 273 returning viewers, and you can see the age. I don't want to go into all of this. And if we go to the revenue, you are going to see that it has made $1.25. And for every 1k view, YouTube is paying $1.97. And For how much advertisers are paying $7.72. Okay, so now let's move to the fourth one. Okay, once we do extra 2, we are done. This one 204, and if we check the reach is what 2K impression, and the engagement is what 8.2 watch time, and the audience is what 0 returning viewers. Now let's check the revenue. 0. Have you guys seen? But you can see that for every 1K view, I get to make $6.07. And this has actually gotten over 1K view. And then the replay is showing 0.50 cents. And you can see that how much advertisers are paying is not yet stated yet. And let's move to the last one, okay? This last one, get 1,000 subscribers. And for the last one, 208 view as well, 15 points. The reach, okay, let's go to the reach, 5.2, and for the engagement 15.0, and for the audience 273, and then for the revenue 0.82. You guys can see for every 1K view 1.8, and how much advertisers are paying $3.76. Now let's end this live stream so that we can talk this particular tutorial. Now I've ended my screen record. Let me explain to you guys everything you need to know in details. For that one that was showing that, the fourth one that was showing that it doesn't have how much advertisers are paying yet, is simply telling you that YouTube has not finished publishing that video. They are still processing that video. And is live stream, can you make money from live stream? Yes, but the money you get to make from live stream is not as much as the money you get to make from a long form video. The only way you're going to be making more money on live stream is when you have people super chatting you, when you have people supporting you through super chats, through super stickers, sending you thanks button, and yeah, every other stuff, and then joining your membership. These are the only ways you can make a lot of money from live stream. Sometimes you can make money from live stream that at the end of the day you cannot even make it on your normal long form videos, even in a whole month. But the thing is, where are your audience? Are they ready to support you? If yes, they are ready to support you, yes, you can be making more money from live stream. My audience are always supporting me, and sometimes I make over 70 something, 60 something. If I begin to go into analysis and begin to show you, you're going to be seeing that yes, if it's money, I make money from live stream because my audience are supporting me. But the only thing that guarantees you here to make more money on YouTube, the honest truth is, it is your long form videos, because your long form videos don't have to wait for your audience to come and support you before you make something out of it. And if you don't know, any money you make from your live stream through your audience supporting you, YouTube takes 30% out of that money that you make before they are going to be accumulating the remaining money to your revenue. Okay, and they're not going to be putting it like they are paying you separately for live stream and then they are paying you separately for your ads. Every money you're making from your live stream, your shorts, your long form videos, your anything at all, they are going to accumulate all of those money in one place and then pay you at the end of the month. So for this, my sister that asked this question, you are going to make a decision if you want to focus on live stream or not. This is me practically exposing my live stream revenue, but this is the advantage I love so much about live stream. When it comes to live stream, you stand a chance to put in more ads on your videos, because take for example, I make live stream up to 1 hour, 2 hours, and the rest, and I can be able to put ads in between that video for every 3 minutes, and they calculate every 3 minutes in a 1 hour video. And some persons make live stream that is up to 2 hours, 3 hours. The only thing you need to do for yourself is make your live stream engaging, so that at the end of the day, people can still watch that particular live stream. Like most of the live streams that I'm making, if you check, you can be seeing replay and how much it has been generating. It simply means after that live stream has been published, this is what that particular live stream is still generating, and you will keep generating money from this live stream if your live streams are evergreen content live stream, because mostly in my live stream I answer questions, so you can try to do most of the things that can be more profitable for your people or for your audience on your live stream. And yes, if you've not started going live stream, I wonder why you've not going live stream, because live stream is the only way you can build an audience with your people. Live stream is the only way you can be able to know what your audience wants and what is really their challenge and how you can actually help them. I advise you today to start going live and thank me later. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. And if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know where to start, you don't even know how to go about it, this is why Sonia is here for you. I have built channel literally from zero without having any subscribers, just by subscribing to my class, and yours can never be the same as well. So all you need to do is check the flyers that is displaying on the screen, and you're going to be seeing my mail that's attached on the flyer, faithonoja31955@gmail.com. And all you need to do is to send us a mail today and tell us that, oh, I'm interested in joining your coaching and channel reviews, where I personally go into your channel to check what is happening and what is not happening. If you also have any question that has been triggering you in your mind and you want me to answer, do well to drop it in the comment section, and I'll definitely answer the same way I'm answering this, my beloved sister. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.